Imagine a weapon that costs less than a luxury car, but can destroy million-dollar military systems. A weapon that can travel over 1,500 kilometers, silently flying across borders, and then explode directly into its target. This is the Shahed drone, one of the most controversial and disruptive weapons in modern warfare. And many experts now believe this cheap drone may be changing the future of war. What is the Shahed drone? The Shahed 136, developed in Iran, is a type of weapon known as a loitering munition, often called a kamikaze drone. Unlike traditional drones that return to base, this drone is designed for one mission only: attack and destroy. Once launched, it flies toward a pre-programmed target and crashes into it with explosives. The drone itself is relatively small. Length, about 3.5 meters. Wingspan, around 2.5 meters. Speed, about 185 kilometers per hour. Range, up to 1,000 to 2,500 kilometers depending on the variant. But the most shocking detail is its price. Experts estimate each Shahed drone costs only about $20,000 to $50,000 to produce. To put that into perspective, many missiles used to intercept them cost over $1 million. So destroying a $30,000 drone might require a $1 million missile. That cost imbalance is exactly why these drones are so effective. Why are they so dangerous? The Shahed drone is not extremely fast and it's not extremely advanced. But its real power comes from numbers. Instead of launching one expensive missile, attackers can launch dozens or even hundreds of drones at the same time. This tactic is called a drone swarm. When dozens of drones approach a target simultaneously, air defense systems can become overwhelmed. Even if 90% are destroyed, a few may still get through, and that is enough to cause serious damage. Recent conflicts have shown hundreds of these drones being launched across the Middle East, targeting military bases and infrastructure. A strange sound in the sky. One of the most terrifying features of the Shahed drone is its sound. Because it uses a small piston engine similar to a motorcycle engine, it produces a distinct buzzing noise. Many soldiers describe it as the sound of a flying lawn mower or chainsaw in the sky. By the time people hear that buzzing sound, the drone is often already close to its target. How it is launched. Shahed drones are usually launched from truck-mounted racks. A single truck can carry multiple drones, launching them one after another like rockets. This makes them highly mobile and difficult to detect before launch. In some cases, dozens of drones can be launched within minutes. The Shahed drone represents a major shift in military strategy. For decades, warfare relied on expensive fighter jets, cruise missiles, and advanced aircraft. But now, a relatively simple drone costing tens of thousands of dollars can challenge billion-dollar defense systems. Because of this, many countries are now racing to develop their own low-cost attack drones. Some analysts believe the future battlefield may be dominated not by fighter jets, but by massive swarms of autonomous drones. The Shahed drone may not look impressive. It's small, slow, and cheap. But sometimes the most dangerous weapon is not the most advanced. It's the one that can be produced by the thousands. And that is why the Shahed drone may become one of the most influential weapons of modern warfare.